Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So this video is going to be really small, like very short video, and I just wanted to give you a slight bit of an update on the studio because you guys have been a part of the journey. So somewhere down the line, I feel like I owe you guys the responsibility of kind of telling you what's going on. So the AC is installed. I got new carpet. पुराना वाला carpet था, I feel like वो थोड़ा small था in size, and I was looking for this kind of a carpet, which is like a tufted carpet, and I found it on a there was a YouTube video, and I got it delivered from Ambala. So a friend of mine actually found all of this out, so all the credit goes to him. So I will leave the link of that particular video because they sell a variety of stuff, bunch of stuff. So I'm not really sure that if this particular thing is still available with them. I will leave that YouTube link in the description box below, so that if you feel like, you can contact them for a rug like this. So this rug is really nice. I love this tufted rug. It's one of the best rugs of my life, and I've been looking for something like this forever. So finally, like, I feel like I'm kind of 70-80% settled, and I'll show you in a bit as to what the rug is like. I got myself a Lloyd AC. This was one of the most basic ACs that was available. I ordered it on Amazon and then got it registered with Havells. Then then requested for the installation. Two guys came for the installation, got all of this done, then got the house cleaned again, then ye carpet bichaya, ye sab kiya. So I think things are kind of coming together. It is really in a basic state. My studio, my shooting area is still in a basic state, but I really like the atmosphere here. It's very cozy. It's very me. It's nothing like fake. I don't want to do things that I do just for the sake of a video. No, nothing. If I were to live in this house, this is exactly how I would live here. So that's why, I don't want to do anything fake. And then the red thing that you see, that is another carpet. So I got two carpets, big size carpets, and one like a small mat like thing, like 2 by 3 inches. So that's really tiny, and that's in my kitchen, my house kitchen. So that's where I've put. I'm going to show you this really quickly. I've also planted one of the plants. I have to get the pebbles to put in these, but right now I have just the paper stuffed in the pots. Yes, let me just quickly show you how the carpet looks like. So guys, first the AC. This is the AC that I've got. This is a Lloyd AC, and this is like 3-star. I got it for around 32,900 something, so it's like 33,000. I'm telling you guys all of this because just in case if you want to have any of these things done, you have an idea. There's no point of me just showing you without telling you. So I got this tube light shifted underneath this AC because I need a little bit of light in this house for the sake of my video. Then I got this rug. This is the rug that I'm talking of. Oh my god, this is a tufted rug, guys. It's so beautiful. Look at the weaving and stuff. I don't know what technical term they use for it, but it is one of the best quality rugs that I've gotten, and this is by this brand Obsession, and this shop apparently sells it at a really affordable price. Like, I got this for around 6,000 or something, but originally this carpet is for 22,500 rupees. So it's a really expensive carpet. I got it for 6.5 something, so it's really good. And then when we moved to this room, I loved this carpet as well. This is rabbit fur. I'm not sure if it is actual rabbit, guys, so honestly, no animals are being harmed here, and I'm sure this is for something material, but it is such a good quality. This is slightly warmer, तो यहाँ थोड़ी गर्मी लगती है, इसलिए इसको अंदर वाले रूम में, but I think summers में नहीं, I think winters में these will just go perfect. And this thing has to come wherever I go. This boy follows me, so I don't know what he's doing here, but yes, this is the plant that I potted with the newspapers and stuff, and this is looking absolutely stunning. And this is the one, of course, आपने तो देखा है इसको. And these are the bags जिसकी video अभी shoot किया मैंने. So it's just over there. So this is the other carpet. So I ordered 2 carpets. One carpet, this one, and the other this one. And this is so amazing. This is really good quality. And he said कि wait, So I was ordering another of this rug, like it was in a black color. There was some geometrical designs on that rug, and I really liked that rug. But price thoda zyada ho raha tha, so I told him ki okay, you just send me two. I'll see the quality, and if I like it, then I'll sort of reorder it. So, but he said ki nahi ma'am, you take it because they just sell really fast. And I was like, the first time order kar rahi hu, let me just see how the quality and everything is. But I was wrong there. The quality is really good, and I somewhere down the line sort of regret कि मैंने क्यों नहीं लिया. So I just told him that whenever it comes back in stock, just let me know because I would love to repurchase this one. Not exactly this one. It was a black and white one. This is off-white and grayish and black, but that was on a base of black, some white things, you know, a geometric print. It was absolutely stunning. So I hope that comes back in stock. I really like the quality of this one. This is amazing, guys. Like I have been looking for a rug like this, like this boho sort of a tufted rug. So that was a bit of an update. If you have any questions regarding my studio or anything, just let me know in the comment section below. I would definitely sort of tell you guys as to where I've gotten things from, because there's really not a lot of stuff. The basic things like the air conditioner, the rug, the plants I've already told you are from Sadar. There's nothing else in this house. I hope things just build up gradually and I'm not rushing it through. You know, I'm just taking my own sweet time. So you guys are a part of this journey, and of course you'll know as we go along. So that's it in this video. That's what I wanted to tell you guys. I came here at 10:30 in the morning, and then Sikandar is in school. I have to go pick him up. So I thought, why not give you guys a bit of an update on the studio as to what's new, what's going on. Because I think since Eid, I have not come here. Eid was on the 11th, and today is like what? It's been 2, 3, 4, 5 days because safai and all सब कुछ करना था, इसकी वजह से everything got delayed. Hi guys, so this is Nandini, my house manager, who manages my house and does everything.
Hi.
So guys, this is the other carpet, which is 2 by 3 inches, and you will not believe that this is only for 249 rupees. But this runs just out of stock every time it comes back in stock, so it's very hard to get. And guys, this rug was in the studio, so I brought it back home and I'm using it here. I really love the vibe of this rug. It is just so cooling and pleasant to the eyes. I'm going to go pick Siki up, and maybe I'll put this video up today and then I'll edit the bags video because that will take a bit of time. So usko edit karne mein because थोड़ा time लगेगा, वो video कल जाएगी या day after tomorrow, because I also have a Nykaa video for you which will go up. So I want the Nykaa video to go up पहले, उसके बाद the bags video. So let's see how things turn out. This is a very small, short little video. I'll try and include Sikandar's school video. So I have to show you something. These are my favorite shoes. Like these are my current favorite shoes. I love these shoes. These are from Puma, and I'm not such a huge fan of Puma in general, but I think these shoes are so comfortable. These are like really beautiful pink, lavender and off-whites and whites and everything going on. It's very comfortable. Like I wear it with every single thing. I got this from Amazon, and I think this was for around 3,500 or 4,000 rupees on sale. But these are such good quality shoes, and I'm like, sorry, this is dirty, but it's like very good quality shoes, and I'm really enjoying it. Very good. Do you want to give this to uncle? Shall we give this to uncle? Go.
Bye, Sikandar. Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
And that's all, guys. So I'll see you in my next video very soon. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's totally free. Hit onto that bell notification so that you get updates on my future videos. I'm a regular girl bringing regular videos for you guys. So if you're interested in shopping and sale hauls and all this kind of fun stuff, I'm a single mom. If you're interested in all those things, then you can definitely, you know, be a part of this beautiful family of mine. Okay, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I love you very much. Mwah. Take care. Bye.